In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from @proton.me to @protonmail.com. When you create a Protonmail account, the default address usually ends in @proton.me. The good news is that Proton also reserves your same username on its other official domains, including @protonmail.com. What that means is you don't need to create a completely different identity. Instead, you can activate the matching protonmail.com version as an additional address and then make it your default sender. One important thing to keep in mind is that your original account address itself cannot be renamed because it's tied to your account's encryption setup. So the goal here is not to replace it behind the scenes, but to add the classic domain version and use that as your main outgoing address. Also, permanent secondary addresses require a paid Proton plan. If you're on the free plan, you won't be able to send from the alternate domain. To begin, open your desktop browser, go to account.proton.me and sign in. Once you're in, click the settings gear or all settings depending on what you see, and then open the section called Identity and Addresses. In that menu, scroll until you find My Addresses. Click Add Proton Address. A pop-up will appear. In the address field, enter your exact current username, then use the domain drop-down to switch the ending to @protonmail.com. After that, enter the display name you want other people to see when they receive messages from you. Click Save Address, and if Proton asks for your password, go ahead and confirm. Next, stay in the same identity and addresses area and go back to My Addresses. Find the new @protonmail.com address you just added. On the right side of that row, open the Actions menu and choose Set as Default. In some layouts, you may also be able to drag that address to the top of the list, which saves it as the default automatically. After that, check the Proton Mail mobile app so your phone uses the same sender address. Open the app on your iPhone or Android device, tap the menu icon in the top left, then go to Settings. Under Local Settings or Accounts, tap your account, then open Default Email Address and select your new @protonmail.com address. Finally, test everything. Go to mail.proton.me, start a new message, and check the From field. It should already show your @protonmail.com address. Send a quick test email to another inbox you own, then open that message and confirm the sender appears as your @protonmail.com address. Once that checks out, you're